Greetings team, this is a brief video on NetRef, creating classes and adding students to the class. This video is particularly for those staff members who are not in the classroom themselves but do have students that they monitor and want to use NetRef to help monitor student devices. So we're seeing here teacher name in the top right of the screen, school name over here, options in the bottom left, and the add class button, which is where we're going to go here. So let's click that. I am going to open up this drop down menu of options just to explain a few things, but the most important thing you want to do here is name each class. I would probably name it according to maybe the time frame that you have the students in or the subject that you have them for. In this case, I'm just going to name it after the teacher's last name. You can also name it different periods if you like, just for better organization. This option here, I would recommend you leave it on allow, because no matter what you change here, you can still access all the controls you need once you've built the class. We're going to leave it on allow, and you can, once you set different things, you can drop it into different folders. Leave it visible and also leave it to exclude from import. Again, most importantly, name it. So let's go ahead and click next. This is the step where we grab and assign students to this class. The way to do it quickly is right here under last name. Start typing in last names like Smith, and it'll limit all the kids in Western Hills to just the ones with that last name. So that's a very quick way to do it, or maybe Jones. See? So the next very important thing to know is that it will not automatically assign them just because you pulled them up. You need to be sure to select the student and then click right here, this arrow, to drag them, so to speak, over here into the assigned students list. So again, you get the students named pulled up over here, but then you need to be sure to select them and assign them to your assigned student list. Once you got all the students you need, be sure to click Save right here. And there's your class right here. Once it's built, it will be saved for you there for you to use once you have those students in front of you and you're ready to monitor their devices. You can always edit the class once you've built it. You can make it visible or invisible, but there's the class we built with students assigned.